Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel.
Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Ooh.
Okay, so welcome back to another Dhgate video. You guys know I love doing my Dhgate hauls. I love showing you guys my Dhgate finds and all of that good stuff. But this is going to be a different video. This is going to be helpful for you guys in a different way. In today's video, I'm gonna be talking about the Dhgate affiliate program. So I'm gonna be telling you guys how you can make money shopping on Dhgate. Isn't that the dream? How many of you guys are addicted to Dhgate? Because I will put up my hand right now. I'm definitely addicted to Dhgate. I love the app. I probably go into the app a few times a day. Guilty. Like, it's not just for shopping though. I go on it to track my packages that I'm patiently and sometimes not so patiently waiting for. So I am definitely a Dhgate junkie. And that is the reason why I find really cool stuff on there, because I spend a lot of time on Dhgate. Before we get into the video, if you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click the subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. So let's get right into the video, and I'm going to be telling you guys how you can make money on Dhgate by joining the affiliate program. So I feel like Dhgate is one of the better affiliate programs out there. I have tried a few affiliate programs online, and I honestly can tell you right now, even though I am an influencer, even though I have a YouTube channel and a small YouTube following, I have never made any money on Magic Links, on Amazon, on any of the other affiliate programs. They just don't pay very well. They pay like a very, very small percentage. During the time I've been with Magic Links, I've probably only made $5, and Dhgate is pretty consistent. So I've had a pretty consistent income from them. What you can do is you can save your money, so you can have them kind of like save it for you until it builds up and builds up. And what you can do is you can withdraw it, put it into your PayPal, and then transfer it to your bank account, which is cool. So you can just save it up for a while, let it build up, or you can withdraw it right away once you hit a certain point. I think it's like $50. I think there's like a minimum of $50. So once you make $50, you can withdraw it and transfer it to your PayPal, and then you can transfer it into your bank account. And then of course you can treat yourself and shop for more things on Dhgate, because that is pretty much what I do with my affiliate earnings, and buy more things. So let me get into how you can make money on Dhgate. Well, honestly, I feel like you don't need much of a following at all. I feel like there is YouTube channels out there with less subscribers than me, with less views than me, and they have made more money in the affiliate program than me. So it's not that hard. You don't need a huge following. You don't really need social media. You kind of do, but there's ways around it, okay? So let me explain. So how you sign up for the Dhgate affiliate program, if you're wondering, go ahead and click on my Twitter link down below. It's in the pinned tweet in my Twitter. So there's basically a link on my link tree. It's at the very top. It says join the Dhgate affiliate program. Click on that link, sign up for it, join the affiliate program. All you need is an existing Dhgate account, like if you've shopped on Dhgate before. If you haven't, that's also fine. You can definitely sign up for Dhgate and then sign up for the affiliate program right after. So go ahead, pause this video, open up a new tab, go into my Twitter and click on the pinned tweet, and it's the very, very top. It says to join the Dhgate affiliate program. So you can join from that link, and then you can go ahead, and what's really cool about the affiliate program is it's very simple. You don't have to learn a whole new website. You don't have to learn a whole new program. It's not rocket science. It's super easy. So you're just gonna go into your workspace, which is a little link at the top. I will try to have everything on the side of the screen for you guys to see. So basically you're gonna go into your workspace, and this is where all the tools are for you. This workspace, this is where you're going to be creating links to share to your followers or your friends. Like I said, you don't necessarily need a social media following. If you have friends that shop on Dhgate a lot and they're asking you for links all the time, say they're like, I really love your purse, I want to buy that purse, you can basically create an affiliate link and then send your friend the affiliate link and then, you know, have them purchase it and then you make money that way. You can do it with Facebook too. If you have a lot of Facebook friends that are into the same thing as you, if they really like handbags, if they really like small leather goods or something like that, you can definitely share your link to your Facebook friends. Or if you're more of a Twitter person, you can do it on Twitter. If you're more of an Instagram person, like I said, you kind of do need social media, but then you kind of don't at the same time. If you have a lot of friends in real life that are into the same products as you and asking you for links and stuff, you can definitely hook them up that way and you can make money that way. So you definitely don't need social media to join the affiliate program at all, but it definitely does help if you do have an Instagram account. If you don't want to share videos reviewing products and stuff like that, if you just want to share the products, you can definitely do that on Instagram, and you can definitely, you know, have your affiliate link somewhere up in your Instagram. So yeah, you don't need like 100,000 followers to be making money from this affiliate program, and I feel like that's what makes it so different than other ones that I've tried. Dhgate is different in that sense. It has a high rate of commission. So depending on the seller, that is who chooses like the commission rates and stuff like that. If you guys go into your workspace, you can definitely browse products on there, and those are mostly higher paying items for commission. So you can create your commission links right from the workspace. You can just browse products and you can definitely find new and cool things that you may not have looked at on the Dhgate website when you were browsing. You can discover really cool stuff on there. That's actually where I found my Balenciaga bag that I love so much, my hourglass Balenciaga bag. So you can definitely scroll through there and look at different items and then create your commission links from the workspace. So from the workspace, like I said, this is so easy and streamlined. It's not that difficult to navigate the workspace, which is awesome. I love it when things are simple and easy and you don't have to click through a bunch of links to figure out what you're doing. So basically you're gonna go into whatever product you want to go into from there, or you can go into your order history and you can create affiliate links from stuff you've already purchased, and that is my preference. That's what I like doing. Is I like showing you guys what I got, obviously, and reviewing it for you guys. So basically what I do is I open a new tab and I go into Dhgate and I go into my order history. I pick an item. You basically just copy the URL, go back into the workspace, and you can customize your links from there. So you can create a commissionable link right from your workspace. Go ahead and click that button. You're gonna paste the URL in there, super simple, and then you can create a long link, a short link, or something you can send by email. So if you're emailing this to somebody and you know, you want to know like more of an item description stuff, that is an option as well. You can also add photos to your link if you want. You can save the photos that are from the ad itself, but I don't do that. I basically create short links and then I put them into a link tree. I find that this is the easiest way. You can also do it on like To Know It or Beacons, so different link tree type websites you can use these little short links on. I find it a lot easier. That is the number one thing you can do on the workspace, is you can create your commissionable links right on there. So if you don't have any order history, if you're very new to Dhgate or something like that, whatever the case may be, you can browse through the products on the affiliate section like in your workspace, and you can create links from there as well. So you can just click on the item, same thing, copy the URL, paste it into your link customizer section, and then you can customize your links from there. You can share your links from there. I highly recommend getting a link tree, or even just like getting a blank email document or a blank Microsoft Word document and pasting all your links on there. Google Documents also works for that as well, just so you can keep track of all the links and you know, you're not confused. So that is the link customizer. Again, super easy, and that is what's going to make you commission. Basically, you're going to be sharing those links to your friends, to your followers, to anybody that's interested in shopping on Dhgate. You can share these links to them, and when they purchase an item and they confirm it and all of that stuff, it goes through the whole process of purchasing the item and receiving the item and all of that, then you get the commission sent to your account. And what's nice about that is you can go in from your Dhgate app on your phone, you click on affiliate. If you've linked your Dhgate account to your affiliate program account, you can just go into your affiliate link from the app and you can see how much money is in your little pool there that you have. And yeah, that is how you make money basically on Dhgate. And the final thing I want to talk about is getting samples. You as a Dhgate affiliate can actually apply for samples right in your workspace as well. Like I said, the workspace is your oyster. You can get sent some free stuff from sellers to promote, to gain more commission. So let's start from the top. How do you apply for a sample? So you click on the sample apply section from your workspace. Your workspace is going to contain all that you need to know about the Dhgate affiliate program, the commission you're getting, your commissionable links, all of that stuff is in your workspace. It's a great little area. So again, this is so simple to do. You basically go into apply for samples and then you can click through hundreds and hundreds of pages of samples that are on there. There's different stuff. So if you guys are not into handbags, if you're not into that sort of thing, they have shoes, they have just everything. They have jerseys, vapes, they have so many things. Like there is gonna be something for you in the sample apply section. So you're basically going to click on whatever item you want to apply for. You're gonna apply for the sample and it's up to the seller whether or not they send it to you. They do look at things like followers. So this is more for people that do have a social media presence. So if you are doing YouTube videos reviewing Dhgate items already, or if you're reviewing them from Instagram, TikTok, any of those social media platforms, this is going to be how you get free items from Dhgate. So you're basically gonna be applying for samples on there. So you're basically going to explain to the seller in a little blurb about what you plan to do with your item. If you plan to review it on YouTube, if you plan to review it on TikTok, anything like that, you can just put that in your little message to the seller. Also, this is where you would pick colors. So if it was a pair of Lululemon leggings, for example, you could be like, I want the color black and the size 7, or that sort of thing, or shoes, anything like that. If they have multiple colors, you can add it to the little blurb as well. So that is basically the gist of how you apply for samples and how you get sent free stuff on Dhgate. And then basically once your sample gets approved, it gets shipped and all of that stuff, you can go back in and you can create your commissionable link from there. And what happens normally is when you get sent free sample items, you get a higher commission on those items. So yeah, it's like a win-win situation. That is pretty much it on how you can basically get free stuff on Dhgate, how you can apply for free stuff, how you can gain commission, how you can make money through their affiliate program. I think it's an awesome affiliate program. Like I mentioned earlier, I have tried so many affiliate programs, different ones throughout the years, and I have never made as much money as I have made with Dhgate. It's a really great way to gain income, especially if you are an avid Dhgate shopper. This is going to be something that is easy and simple. Why wouldn't you want to make a few extra dollars here and there? So yeah, that is pretty much it for my video. I really do hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below if you haven't already. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.
I let you deeper.